Welcome back, friends. So friends, in previous video we learned CSS cursor properties, and in this video we will learn CSS grouping. So first I make a new page. So I go to my file menu and press on save as, click on save as, and here I write CSS grouping dot HTML. So now it is a new page on the name of CSS grouping. So I come here, go to CSS, and here I find where is that page, CSS grouping. This is that page. So I double click over it and cancel this one. So this is the new page, and I come back here and remove all these div and h1 and p tags. I also remove this center tag and also remove this one. Control S to save. Now I go on my browser and refresh it. Now you see that it is in its default position, totally blank. So friends, in previous videos I have taught you that we can bring any HTML tag in CSS, because all the HTML default tags are the selectors of HTML. Like if I use here h1 tag and I write here this video is on CSS grouping, and I close the h1, control S to save, and here I will call h1 to stylize h1. So I write it here color, I write green, and I write font family Comic Sans MS, control S to save, and when I come here and refresh it, so you see that that style is been applied over this h1. So friends, if I make here one more p tag and I close the p, I copy this text, control C, and place inside it, control V, and I want to apply the same style over this p tag. So it will call the grouping. When first I come here and refresh it, now you see that this video is on CSS grouping. This text is been written on p tag, and the above text is h1 tag, but I want the same style over this p tag without making a new p selector, without calling a new p selector here and giving it the same style. So what I will do, I will just write or place a comma here, and I will write p here and control S to save. Now I come here and refresh it. Now you see that the same style is been applied on this p tag. It is font size is not been increased because this text is been written on p tag and this text is on h1 tag. So therefore there is a difference in font size. But if I mention here the font size also, then font size will also be applied as the same. I write here font size 30 pixel and control S to save, and I come back here and refresh it. Now you see that the font size has been also made the same of both these text sentences. So in this way, friends, you can call a lot of HTML default tags. For example, if I write here div tag and I close the div, I copy it Control C and paste it inside it, and here I write H2, paste that text and close that H2. Control S to save, and I come on browser, refresh it. Now you see that these two texts, one is in, I think, div tag. Yes, this text is inside the div tag, and this text is inside the H2 tag. And if I write here div just then comma then H2, Control S to save, then all this style will be also applied on these two tags also. So you see that's the style of above two texts also have been applied on the below these two text sentences. So in this way, friends, you can use a lot of default tags of HTML in the same row to apply the same style on all the texts, and this thing is called the CSS grouping.